What's up YouTube? This is Yun Arrigo from Philippines. Today I'll be playing Minecraft today. And let's wait. And here is it, Minecraft. Wait a minute. And sorry for the post guys because I'll just take a pee. And in this Minecraft guys, I'll be teaching you how to make an aircon. Let's make a world. Sorry for the spelling guys. I'm sorry if it's wrong. To make it peaceful. Operator in flat. That's all. And to create. Wait guys. And in Minecraft guys, you need a patience for the loading. In here guys, you need first any black but mine I'm gonna use iron. I will gonna teaching you first the circuit guys. We need dispenser and redstone torch, redstone, and then lever, and we need I will gonna teach you later what is the design guys, but first we need to face straight with 6x6. I mean 4x6 guys. This is the room guys. Now we'll be starting the aircon, and like this guys. First we're gonna putting the dispenser like that, and put a 3x3 block, and put one at the center, one block at the center, put another two at the top, put a redstone torch, and then put the redstone like this, like that. By the power of lever guys, you can easily like that, but you'll break it first because it's noisy. Then this is the remote. I'm sorry for my speaking guys. Remote. I put it in the window like this, like this, like this, like this, like that. And this guys, this is the circuit. I'll give you 10 seconds to screenshot into your phone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go guys. Now we will gonna make the setting of our home. Put iron so you can make a mirror. For making mirror, guys, at here, do it like this. Like this. Like this. So that if you are here, you can easily see the lever. And we will cover it up. Make sure you will not touch redstone torch or redstone dust. The one thing, if you will touch it, it will be gonna gun. Like this, guys. This is how will you cover up. And see, there are no lights. Check it out first. And we will put this as the design so that we can make it like a car, like this. We will put the rooftop over here. Actually, guys, this is good for survival, like this. And for the design for the aircon, guys, you need item frame and where is it? Iron door. I mean, if you put an item frame, guys, not just like it will not sneak. It will sneak the dispenser will come out, and then you sneak it over here, and we will not use this one, guys. We will reload it with the zombie. Oh, we will check if it's peaceful, like that. This is just peaceful, guys. We'll find a zombie spawner. Here is it. We will reload it. And with the iron door, don't just put like that. Just put it 90 degrees. I mean, and we will put and see the effect, guys, like that. And we will gonna put a glass, anything glass, guys, but for me it is color green. The lime is so lighty, but color green is best. The best thing for your mini house, guys, with aircon, we will put a cabinet just like this. Find the shulker box, and we will search through this color green again in the bed. For me it's green because I want green, like this. Just like that. It's still ongoing, guys. And find the furnace and put it, and you need again the iron, and we will not use the lever again, guys. Like this, like this, like this, this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and we need the stairs. We will use the quartz stair, like this, and for me, guys, I will use this oak door. And now, guys, it's done. It's done, guys. Let me show you. Sorry. I will transform. First, I will transform it night like this. Like this. I turn like this, and you can now sleep. And that's all for today, guys. See you next time, guys. Please hit that bell notification and smash that subscribe button and hit that like button, and see you next time, guys. Bye.